What's up, friends? Today's video I am sharing with you how I am taking the summer off to be with my children and still making daily sales. The biggest way to do this and the biggest way that works for me is planning. I know that I am going to be taking the summer off, so 2-ish months before I do, I really get ahead on everything. I get ahead on my photos, I get ahead on my inventory, I get ahead on my YouTube. I know I'm not going to be doing anything for 2 months, and I really need to get ahead. But before I get there, I need to make sure that I have virtual assistants that are very well trained. I will link a video up here above my virtual assistants process, but this is one of the main ways that I am able to take time off and still make daily sales and do daily listings. So when I say I'm taking time off, it means I am not shopping, I'm not taking photos, I'm not filming YouTube videos. I am doing the bare minimum, which is listing 10 drafts a day, every single day still, but that takes me 10 minutes, Poshmark and eBay. Those are things that my virtual assistant have set up for me. And then it also means that I am doing daily shipping. As long as I have things to ship, which I do, I am still doing daily shipping. So like I said, the first thing is to make sure that you have a virtual assistant ready to go, up and running, very well trained, minimal assistance needed to be able to have your drafts ready, have your processes ready. Like I said, I will link my video. These are all my processes, from photos to virtual assistant to shipping. So first thing is having your virtual assistant ready. The second thing is going to be getting ahead so that you can still list and be consistent every single day. This is going to look different for everybody. I list 10 items every single day. So what I need to do is not only have enough inventory, have enough photographs ready to send to my lister for what I'm listing right now, but I take 2 months to double what I'm doing right now, so that come June and July, I have 2 months worth of photos set up. So if you're doing this, go ahead and calculate how many items you list every single day now, and then list how many items you're going to list when you are taking this time off, and get yourself ahead. Come June 1, I will have 600 items photographed. So I do 10 items a day times 30 days, right? 30 days in a month. And that's going to give me 300 items a month. I need to have 600 items photographed, purchased and photographed to send to my virtual assistants. And then your process is key as well. Like I said, I did link my processes up here. I have my photographs. Everything is ready to go. I send them to the virtual assistant with minimal questions because we have our processes in line. Minimal questions. It takes me 30 seconds when they say they need more photos, and they create the drafts. I can then spend 10 minutes a day listing drafts every single day. So get your backlog, get your inventory ready, get your photos ready. And then you also need to work on your processes, friends. The reason that I can take this time off, I spend 10 minutes a day listing drafts every single day, and then I will spend time shipping. I have got my shipping down to under 2 minutes an item. So even if I am selling 10 items every single day, I can do it in 20 minutes. I'm home with my children. I can spare 20 minutes at some point during the day to make sure that I am shipping every single day. So obviously if I go on vacation and I'm not home, I am not shipping, but for the most part we will be home. I'm just taking time off to be with my children, not have to pay for care, and to be able to take them places and do things with them and not have to worry about work. This is how I am getting ahead. This is how I am making sure that I'm still going to have these daily sales. I will send offers. This is one more caveat. The nice thing on your phone, I can send offers as I think about it, or eBay, you can go in and send offers via book. If you like this video, YouTube also thinks you'd like this video, I will go ahead and link a playlist here of how to make money reselling, and then make sure to hit that subscribe button.